Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see download history on Google Play Store. Whether you are trying to find an old favorite app or just curious about your app history, Google Play Store makes it easy to check. Stick around as in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check it in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. Launch your Google Play Store. You will be directed to the home page. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. The options will appear. Navigate to the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now click on the option of Manage. Under this, you're going to find this drop down, this device. Here you're going to find the list of the apps that are currently installed in your device. Click on that drop down and set it to Not Installed. Now you're going to find the list of the apps that were installed in your device, but now you have uninstalled these apps. So this is your app history. If you want to download any of these apps, just check in for it. Then click on the arrow icon given at the top right. With that, download process will start. So this is how you can easily see download history on Google Play Store. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.